Hey guys, you welcome back. It's your boy Akahilz, guys. So live here on my screen here, you can see Kucoin is currently ranked as the number 5 in the crypto space, top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. So it's currently ranked at number 5 as of CoinMarketCap CoinMarketCap records. So CoinMarketCap is the world's leading exchange platform where you get informations about the crypto space. Now you can see there are about 293 exchanges being listed. So being at 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 shows the credibility the exchange has. Now right here you can see the number of volume and the exchange score. You can also see the average liquidity. You can also see weekly visits, markets. Now the cool thing about these exchanges is that each of these exchanges have some unique features, but one feature we've seen so far is that on Kucoin the number is currently referred to as the people's exchange because it holds holds the number one, or as one of the most largest altcoin platform where you can get access to lots of crypto gems. Now for the fiats being supported, you can see we have USD, AED, ARS and 45 more fiat tokens that are currently being supported here. You can take a look at most of them. You can see we have Brazilian real. We have this is a full list of them, and the list is currently being updated on a regular basis. So these are the fiats that are currently being supported by the platform. Now some of all these exchanges, like we have Kraken here. Kraken currently supports just US dollar, euro, pounds and about 4 more, which is very way less than what Kucoin is currently supporting. So with Kucoin you get lots of flexibility when you're trading on the platform. So that's one advantage you get as a new user. So right here, this article talks about Kucoin launches euro trading pairs to make crypto transactions easier for European markets. Now if you're in the Europe, or you stay in Europe, you want to know that you can easily trade with your euro currency once you are able to make transfer or make payments using SEPA. Once you're able to fund your account, instead of you to convert your euro to maybe dollar, or you want to convert it to other currencies, you can't trade directly on the Kucoin platform. You can trade with BTC pairs, ETH pairs and also USDT pairs. From USDT pairs you can also use the USDT or the BTC pair, either of these, to trade with any other assets that are available in the Kucoin platform. So with this you don't need to spend much time, or you don't need to pass through much stress that comes with and trying to find way to switch your euro, or looking for means to get a dollar into your account. Now it says here, Kucoin, a leading trading platform, will offer euro trading pairs against these individual pairs towards its expansion to the European markets. Now the new trading pairs will become available on Kucoin spot markets trading from June 8th. Crypto users to make instant conversions. Now these are some milestones that have occurred. On March 23rd, Kucoin launched the SEPA payments to allow users get a straightforward crypto transaction experience on the platform. Then the CEO also announced that the new euro spot trading pairs in the fiat to fiat service deployed by Kucoin is another major milestone after the addition of Brazilian real a week ago. Now on June 20th, the Brazilian real was added, which is now traded against USDT, BTC and ETH pairs. Now these milestones are some cool features you want to enjoy. Now you can see the announcement here and some of the benefits here. I'll be leaving these articles for you. Now let's head over straight here. There's also an article that talks about how to use the SEPA method. Now it says that SEPA is a single euro payment created by the European system. So by supporting SEPA payments, Kucoin provides the easiest fiat on-ramp services for European users. So currently users from 36 member states can deposit euro on Kucoin with SEPA, and then can use the balance of their Kucoin account to purchase crypto assets such as USDT. Now these are some of the benefits: ease of use, zero fees. So with it, the users can deposit euro to Kucoin with zero fees charges via SEPA. They say up to 1 million euro in a single deposit. Now the security is also very assured, since SEPA is a reliable company, as well as Kucoin. Now Kucoin supports SEPA instant, which means that users can deposit and complete their deposit within 24/7 or 365 within seconds. Now also the withdrawal service of euro from Kucoin Fiat account or IBAN account is available now, which is very easy. There's also a video here that talks about it. Now all you need to do, make sure you've completed your KYC, and make sure you've go over to your main account, select the payment option. You can choose the SEPA option and click send details, and your funds will be credited directly. So this is one easiest way to do it. So guys, beneath this video there's a link here that's going to take you directly to Kucoin. It has a sign up bonus as well as a trading discount, which will give you eligibility for getting discounts whenever you trade on the Kucoin platform. So guys, I'm currently live here on the Kucoin trading platform. I'm going to show you guys how to navigate and get access to this. So as a new user, you want to make sure your account is set so you can start making use of this trade. Now on this account we currently have some amount of funds here which we'll be using. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to click on this top icon here. On default it's going to be at let's say it's going to be BTC USDT pair. That's what you're going to see on default. On default you're going to see the BTC USDT pair. Now all you need to do is to click on this top icon. You'll be shown the favorite, margin, US dollar, KCS and more. This is NFT ETF. These are for NFT ETFs pair. Then all you need to do, just click on the fiat section. On the fiat section you see these 6 trading pairs which you can trade with. We have the euro, we also have the Brazilian real. Each of these you can trade with them. I'm going to click on euro. Let's say we want to use euro or we want to trade Brazilian real. We have some amount of USDT in our account, so we can use it for this trade. So I'm going to use so let's say we want to buy, like, okay, you can see here we have about 36 USDT here. So all you need to do, let's say you want to sell your USDT for euro. So users who are familiar with the price fluctuations about these currencies can easily arbitrage with these opportunities. The price difference between dollar and euro, you can make cool funds with this. Now let's say we want to buy about 50% of this, let's say 18 USDT. The price we want to buy at market price, so we want to buy 15%. Sell USDT for that. So we're going to see we currently do not have any 0 euros. So you now see, guys, we now have about 17 euros, guys. 17 euros. We now have about 17 euros in our wallet. We've sold about 18 USDT, and we now have about 17 euros. Now all you need to do if you want to transfer these funds is just for you to go over to your wallet or go over to your own page and send these funds directly to your account. But either case, if you do not wish to do that, you can just set them back. You click on 100%. Want to buy USDT back, and click on buy. I'm going to click on buy here. So you see now we bought our USDT back. We still have about 0.2 euros available in our wallet. So guys, this is how easy it is for you to get your euro directly on the platform. This is how easy it is for you to make purchases and more. So guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So there are lots of trading pairs available. I'll be leaving the links and descriptions, guys, for you to see. For bonus tip, guys, for users who want to learn how to earn passive income, this is one of our passive income we've been earning. We have about total profits $2, $3, $1, $0.1 and $2 here. So this is about this should give you about $10 passive income. Now this is in accumulation, or this is because of we've been buying using the free trading bots on KCS. So we've been trading on Kucoin using these trading bots. So there are different types of bots available, so whichever one you want to use. If you need a sports trading bot, it's all free. You need a futures trading bot where it will automatically create arbitrage opportunities for you, buy low and sell high for you. You can create those ones. You can also use the DCA bots where you can be buying or accumulating some amount of Bitcoin or KCS. We like KCS because KCS gives us 50% or gives us fee rebates on the Kucoin platform. So the total amount of fees that are being charged on Kucoin, we do receive a portion of it on a daily basis, which is very, very cool, guys. You can also check out the spotlight tokens that is going to be listed on Kucoin. So these are some of the opportunities, guys, you want to take advantage of. Peace out, guys. You buy Akahilz. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You can also dislike if you do not find the video helpful, and let us know in the comment section why, so we can also improve. Peace out, guys. More love.